antibiotic. You need to wash the eyes with saline. Yeah. Check the temperature. Let me do this.
Oh no!
But you'll get very. Yeah, this is saline here. Oh my baby, why you like that, huh? You like here? She does not like. Okay, this is only here. Teresa, bring me maybe some Oflox. I'll prescribe some antibiotic, okay? Oflox. No, do we have? Maybe will be better. Fusitalmic. That is because of the ointment. Okay, when you wash the eyes with some saline, and then you can put some here, and you try to remove the discharge. And you try to remove, you can do like this in 4. You try to remove the discharge in one direction, okay? One. Now I'm utilizing the other part. Again here. And then we can utilize this one here. Here again, I put here a lot of saline here.
It's fine if it's tissue.
Or you can utilize like cotton, you know, the cotton for the makeup that is soft. You can utilize that to remove here the dirty, and try to separate as well the hair. Not going to here. Okay, here.
No.
Let's put in a clean one here with saline. Sometimes they have a little dirty the nose. Okay. Okay, she sneezes, she'll be very to try to clean this one here for you. Need to be clean, my baby. Okay, good. Okay, good. Then here, before. Here.
Okay.
Don't touch on the eye, okay? Separate the hair. That's it. Done. Okay?